Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening DevTools and focusing the Elements panel. Right away, inspect the node you care about. Once selected, you'll see the DOM and link styles. This is why you inspect first. Context matters. Now press Ctrl plus F or CMD plus F to open the search field inside DevTools. This searches the visible HTML only, so make sure the panel shows the content you want. If you need to, expand nodes to reveal nested text before searching. Once the search box is open, use targeted patterns to narrow results. Type plain text for visible content, enter a CSS selector like class name for nodes, or start with // for an XPath expression. Make sure to use quotes when you need an exact phrase. When pages are complex, switch to regex using slashes to match patterns. If results are noisy, toggle case sensitivity or whole word matching. That trims false positives and speeds up finding the right node. You now click through results to land on the exact node, then inspect computed styles and event listeners to understand behavior. If the search finds nothing, reload the page with cache disabled, because dynamic scripts often inject HTML after load. Also check sources and frame contexts. Content inside shadow DOM or iframes won't appear in the main element search. If needed, run small JavaScript snippets in the console to query document fragments and reveal hidden or lazy loaded elements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.